Dallas Roadster and its representatives are committed to ensuring the highest quality sales and service experience for every customer and future customers as well. We find the very best success by providing a superior product automatic transmission the lowest price possible, as well as keeping true to our integrity and professionalism. All of our inventory is inspected and conditioned by our very own technicians, which allows for a lower vehicle cost and better vehicle quality. We take each customer and treat them as individuals to ensure the very best care and client satisfaction. This formula has enabled us to successfully provide our services to our global and local clientele for over 16 years. Give us a call and allow Dallas Roadster to show you how a customer should be treated.